Humanoid robots are also used in after-school educational settings. For example, robotics clubs help teachers teach programming lessons and introduce children to the basics of robotics. One of the most advanced humanoid robots designed to interact with humans is the Sakura Actroid, developed by the Japanese company Kokoro in collaboration with the International Institute of Advanced Telecommunications. This android boasts incredibly realistic looks and features that make it stand out in the world of robotic machines. The main goal of creating Actroid Sakura was to study human-robot interaction and use the robot for various service and demonstration purposes. Sakura can perform an impressive range of movements and facial expressions that mimic human emotions and behavior. This ability is achieved through the use of more than 40 pneumatic actuators that control the movements of her face and body, as well as complex software that controls the animation. Actroid Sakura's control system allows it to react to its environment and interact with people in real time. Japanese professor HIroshi Ishiguro developed a female humanoid robot named Minami to demonstrate the capabilities of modern robotics and artificial intelligence. Minami was unveiled to the general public at Takashimaya Shopping Center in Osaka, Japan, with the goal of both surprising visitors and enhancing their shopping experience through interactive technology. Minami is equipped with advanced speech and facial recognition systems that allow her to interact naturally with visitors. The robot can recognize and respond to emotions, adding a human touch to the interaction. Minami was developed as part of Professor Ishiguro's larger research project aimed at creating humanoid robots capable of social interaction. This research involves studying human behavior and reactions to interaction with a robot, which helps determine the design and functionality of future inventions. Chinese robots continue to amaze. Several new humanoid robots were recently unveiled at the X Future Science and Technology Museum in Dalian. These robots, embodying the images of such famous personalities as the artist Pablo Picasso, scientist Albert Einstein, philosopher Confucius, and other great personalities, share wise thoughts with visitors. To accurately reproduce the facial expressions of these iconic figures, experts studied videos of the performances. The museum's innovative use of humanoid robots, 3D holography, and interactive exhibits attracts more than 200,000 visitors annually. Museum of the Future X specializes in the development of bionic humanoid robots and demonstrates the capabilities of advanced robotics technologies. Toyota Research Institute, TRI, has unveiled an innovative approach to creating artificial intelligence that allows robots to learn new skills within hours. This development aims to create large behavioral models, LBMs, for robots, similar to the revolutionary large language models, LLMs. Traditional methods of teaching robots were slow and inefficient, requiring careful programming and trial and error. TRI's new approach has already allowed robots to learn 60 complex skills, such as pouring liquids and using tools, without using new code, simply by providing new data. TRI plans to train robots in hundreds of new skills by the end of this year and thousands by the end of 2024. Robots learn new behaviors with the help of human operators who remotely control and demonstrate tasks, typically requiring 24 to 100 demonstrations over the course of an hour or two. The underlying diffusion policy technology, adapted from AI to generate images, directly shapes the robot's behavior based on sensor data and possibly natural language. This innovative method significantly reduces the time required to develop robot skills from several weeks to half a day, marking the beginning of a new era in robotics. The Japanese company Yaskawa Electric, a leader in the global market of industrial robots, has developed a new generation, Smart Pal 7 robot, which can be controlled using the Microsoft Kinect motion capture system. This innovative robot allows you to perform tasks such as lifting and cleaning remotely. The Smart Pal 7 smartphone is equipped with advanced components, including a pan-tilt stereo camera, an infrared sensor, and gyroscopic sensors on moving parts. These features enhance the robot's ability to move autonomously and safely interact with the environment and people. During the demonstration of Smart Pal 7, its remote control capabilities were demonstrated. An operator from Tokyo controlled the robot located in Fukuoka, helping with tasks such as cleaning. The robot demonstrated its ability to pick up toys from the floor and place them in a box, demonstrating how simple operator movements can be translated into complex robotic actions. Introducing Centauro, the world's first robotic centaur designed for rescue missions. Developed by specialists from the University of Bonn and the Italian Institute of Technology, Centauro is 1.5 meters tall and weighs 93 kilograms. Its frame is made of light metal alloys, and the body is covered with plastic parts printed on a 3D printer. Centauro moves using 4 legs, each with a wheel at the end, allowing it to both move and overcome obstacles. The robot's body consists of 2 arms, which, depending on the situation, can be equipped with different types of manipulators. Its battery provides 2.5 hours of continuous operation. According to the developers, Centauro easily overcomes obstacles with the help of legs that have 6 degrees of freedom. It can lift heavy objects, making it ideal for search and rescue missions. The Menzimuck excavator, developed by the Swiss company Menzimuck AG, is a unique machine designed to work in the most difficult and inaccessible conditions. Classified as a walking excavator, it can adapt its shape and position depending on the terrain. Equipped with 4 independent telescopic legs, the Menzimuck can remain stable on uneven surfaces and work on slopes of up to 45 degrees. It is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system that provides high performance and can lift loads up to 3,000 kilograms, depending on the model and configuration. The excavator is equipped with an engine ranging from 115 to 157 horsepower, providing enough power for a variety of construction and earth-moving jobs. The hydraulic system allows the use of a variety of attachments such as buckets, hammers, and drilling rigs, making the Menzimuck a versatile solution for a wide range of applications. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the Carwins channel and like it. See you next time.